Hello, my friends. Someone asked me to make some content about cancer and what it is and some common ways that you get it. So what cancer is a mutation to a certain type of cell's DNA. And so what that means is cancers are often classified by what type of cell gets a mutation or a change in their DNA. So things like breast cancer or blood cancer or a brain tumor, those are all different types of cancers, but the mechanism is all fairly similar, where a cell goes through a mutation that causes it to divide very rapidly, and then it also receives a secondary change to its DNA that prevents it from basically undergoing this process called apoptosis, which is cell death, programmed cell death. And so what happens is that as this one cell divides and divides and divides and divides, it builds up this big mass, which is called a tumor. And then that tumor starts sucking in nutrients from the rest of your body and prevents other things from functioning properly. And that's what's called the primary mass. And then when cancer gets really bad, it goes under this process called metastasis. And that's when a small piece of the tumor breaks off and travels somewhere else in your body. So for example, if you have lung cancer, you could have a little piece of your lung tumor break off and it travels up into your brain, and then it starts dividing up there, and then you have a brain tumor, but it's all lung tissue. So you're growing a little malfunctioning lung inside your brain. So cancer is terrible. It's super scary. And yeah, I hope none of you ever have to experience that.
And then